Good morning, grade 7 students. Today I will discuss irrigation system plans and designs. Irrigation may be defined as the process of supplying water by artificial means to agricultural field for crop production. If water from rainfall is not sufficient for the plants, it is supplemented by irrigation water. In order to achieve this, an irrigation system is required to develop that involves planning, design, construction, operations, and maintenance of various irrigation works. We also have reasons why we have an irrigation plan. The first one, a project plan enables the designer to lay out the irrigation system in the most cost-effective way. The plan is used to generate a material list and to evaluate the anticipated project cost. The plan provides step-by-step information on system installation, information on crop spacing, sprinklers, pumping requirements, pipeline sizes, and lengths should be included on the plan. Pertinent obstructions such as roads, trees, gas, oil, water, telephone, or transmission lines must also be indicated. Specification, design standards, and work schedules as set out on a plan form the basis of any contractual agreements between the installation contractor and the farmer. The last one, the plan provides a record for future reference. It can be used for overall farm planning and identifies limits of expansion potential. For essential features of a plan, the first one is topographic data. The field shape must be accurately drawn, showing pertinent obstructions, features, and elevation details. Sa topographic data daw po, kailangan alam natin kung ano ba ang shape ng ating lupa. Kung ano ba ang shape ng ating lupa para nang sa ganon ay alam natin kung saan ilalagay ang irrigation system natin. Alam din natin kung meron bang obstructions gaya ng puno, gaya ng gas, gaya ng telephone, gaya ng transmission lines at iba pa na magiging dahilan o magiging sagabal sa pagpapatayo natin ng irrigation system. Second, water source capacity. The water supply must be clearly indicated, showing location and available capacity. Depending on the water source, a well lag or water license must accompany the irrigation plan. Irrigation reservoir also require water management branch licensing. Once na alam na natin kung saan ba tayo magpapatayo ng irrigation system, dapat alam din natin kung meron bang sapat na water o sapat na tubig na pagkukuhaan natin para doon sa ating irrigation, para maging successful ang ating irrigation system. Third, soil and crop characteristics. Soil and crop limitations must be accounted for the reduced runoff and deep percolation by mismanagement of the irrigation system. Alam din dapat natin kung ano ba yung uri ng lupa at ano ba ang crops o itatanim natin doon po sa lupang iyon. Hindi po dapat natin ipagsawalang bahala kung ano yung uri ng lupa kapag tayo ay nagtatanim. Kasi magiging effective or makakapag-create tayo ng quality crops kapag alam nating angkop yung crops na iyon para sa lupang ating pagtataniman. Number 4, design parameters. Soil water holding capacity, maximum application rate, and climatic data must be used to select the correct irrigation system design. Sa design parameters, nakadepende po yung ating irrigation system kung ano ba yung dapat natin gamitin doon po sa uri ng soil o lupa na ating pagtataniman. Baka kasi ang soil na ating pagtataniman ay hindi niya kailangan ng masyadong maraming water. Or baka sadyang ang gusto lamang ng soil na iyon ay sapat or tamang-tama lang na rami ng tubig. Number 5, design data. The nozzle selected, operating pressure, discharge rate, and sprinkler spacing must all be shown on the plan. The irrigation interval, set time, application rate, and net amount applied must also be calculated. Sa design data, once na alam na natin ang lokasyon, kung gaano ba karami yung tubig na pagkukuhaan natin, ito naman yung time para tayo ang mag-design na kung gagamit ba tayo ng sprinkler or kung anumang uri ng irrigation system. Dapat ito ay nakaangkla or may kinalaman doon sa uri ng soil at uri ng crops na ating itatanim doon. Nang sa ganon, maging effective or maging maayos ang ating irrigation system. For different designs of irrigation systems, we have surface irrigation wherein the water is applied to the field in either the controlled or uncontrolled manner rate. While sprinkler irrigation, it is ideal in areas where water is scarce. For surface irrigation, we have different kinds. The first one is the furrow irrigation. Under furrow irrigation, we have furrow irrigation by cutting the ridge and furrow irrigation with siphons. As you can see here in the pictures, cutting the ridge is this one. And the furrow, ito po yung daanan ng tubig. Kung mapapansin natin ang pictures ay maihahalin tulad natin siya sa isang dam. Na kung saan ay meron lamang siyang daluyan ng tubig na kapag ito ibinuksan natin ay patuloy na dadaloy lamang ang tubig doon sa furrow. At ito naman ang ating mga itinanim doon sa lupa. While in furrow irrigation with siphons, ito naman po ay ginagamitan ng hose, flexible hose. Kung mapapansin niyo, pareho lang din naman sila ng design. Pareho lang din naman sila kung paano ginagawa. Yun nga lang po, kay siphons, ginagamitan natin siya ng flexible na hose. While kay cutting the ridge, hindi po tayo gumagamit ng hose. Next is the border irrigation. In a border irrigation, controlled surface flooding is practiced whereby the field is divided up into strips by parallel ridges or dikes, and each strip is irrigated separately by introducing water upstream, and it progressively covers the entire strip. Border irrigation is suited for crops that can withstand flooding for a short time. Kung mapapansin po natin, ginagamit ang border irrigation sa kapatagan or sa mga rice field. Meron lamang dyan na binubuksan na area na kung saan ay malayang makakapasok ang tubig na galing sa river or kung saan man po tayo kumuha ng water source. The third one is the basin irrigation system. It is almost the same with the border system. The water is flooded in wider areas. It is ideal for irrigating rice. So sa basin irrigation, mas malakas yung water na kailangan dahil mas malawak ang dapat niyang supplyan ng tubig. And for sprinkler irrigation, the sprinkler system is ideal in areas where water is scarce. So, ginagamit natin ang sprinkler irrigation once na ang place natin or ang location is hindi sapat or merong kakulangan sa water supply. A sprinkler system conveys water through pipes and applies it with a minimum number of losses. Water is applied in form of sprays, just like in the picture, sometimes simulating natural rainfall. The difference is that this rainfall can be controlled in duration and intensity. If well planned, designed, and operated, it can be used in sloping land to reduce erosion where other systems are not possible. For your activities, please follow the steps below before answering the task. The first one, you have to read the Weekly Home Learning Plan or the WHLP. It is your guide on what tasks to be answered for a particular week. Kung ano lamang po ang pinasasagutan, kung ano lamang ang nakasulat doon, yan lamang ang inyong gagawin. Also, watch the video provided by your TLE teacher. This will also help you to get the correct answer in the activities. Then don't forget to write your name and section in your answer sheets. And the most important thing is you have to read the instructions carefully in every task. If you find it difficult, don't hesitate to ask your subject teacher. If you have questions, clarifications, just ask your teacher. Thank you for listening and have fun and learning.